show you guys. I know how to get rid of hiccup. What you do is like a bottle of anything. It can be water, it can be fizzy juice, it can be anything. And you hold down your ears like really hard, and you just drink a bottle of water. You need to drink the water as fast as you can, or it won't work. And you do it for about 5 seconds, and then it'll work. It's really good. So that's all I've talking about today, guys. See you next time.